This is the Bulldog 3D. I'm Darren. Let's start looking at some Halloween things that we can print out. We have articulated hands, various different skulls, and a little bit of a surprise at the end. Let's take a deeper look at some of these. Okay, let's start looking at these one by one. Let's start with our two skulls. These are, I believe it's pronounced Voronoi or Voronoi. These will print with supports. I chose tree supports, mainly on the bottom. You need to clean up a little bit where the support material didn't come away neatly and tidily, but nice cool print for Halloween. Next, we have these skulls. These two were printed in white. My daughter has painted this one, trying to give it some more definition if she can. This is how it prints out. Great detail on the skull. Those are the white ones. We printed it in black. Again on this one, my daughter painted it for it to stand out a little bit better and to catch the light more. And you might be able to catch some of the details on camera now that she's done that. And this is how it initially prints. And then we have a few hands. Very good print on the edge of a table or the corner of a table. So the fingers just dangle down. This is the left hand and this is the right hand. These are all nice and cool, but then because I like these skulls so much, I tried something else. So let's take a look at that. So if you're liking this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments below. If there's anything else you'd like me to look at 3D printing, let me know. Back to the video. So these are straight off the printer. And some of the supports are broken on these. But to put into context, here are the original sizes and these are the new ones. These two took about 28 hours to print, just under, and they used about 960 grams of filament each. These are PLA, so now I just need to take off the supports. Take the supports off the white one. You might be able to see some of these a little easier. Some of the supports will get stuck on the build plate as you try and take the skull off, just because of how large it is. there we have some fun 3D prints ready for Halloween. I think anybody who's having a party, this will be a great hit. If you want to check out some more 3D prints and some other things that I've been up to, check out the video here, or here, or here.